Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Spots, written and illustrated by Danny Albert. This is a story about finding spots. Just look for circles, specks, and dots. They can bubble up big or shrink down quite small. Do you think you are able to spot them all? Some spots are stinky, some spots are clean, and some are the craziest you've ever seen. They love to be spotted. Just believe it or not, when you see one, just point and yell, "Spot!" The thing about spots is it makes them so great is all the happiness they can create. They add a design to each space they are on. Just look at this lizard and the frog and the python. To find some more spots, let us visit the zoo. Leopards and cheetahs and tall giraffes too have unique spots from their heads to their toes, but only the leopard has spots like a rose. If you go to a farm and you hear a loud moo, just look for a cow and they'll have quite a few. You might not expect to see a spot so big, especially the one this large. Smelly pig. One more animal that we just can't forget is a Dalmatian who lives as a firehouse pet. This spotted friend has a large amount, so many in fact they will be hard to count. Reading can be a great way to explore spots that you may have not seen before. An exclamation point has a line at the head, and a question mark has a hook instead. A period ends with a sentence. A colon starts a list, and an ellipsis is where a long pause will exist. Now that you have been able to spot a few, here's a secret. You can make them too. You can paint or scribble or cut them out. Just having fun is what it's all about. They love to be counted from 10 to 1, which might be backwards, but it's so much fun. Try adding a break and 2 feathery wings. You can make a lovebird that so sweetly sings. You can also make bugs of all different kinds. Just make some spots and add some dark lines. If bugs aren't your thing, that is quite okay. 2. You can make a small creature covered in blue. Add one spot in orange and in lime green. Together they make one big monstrous scene. If you like yummy sweets and you're very ambitious, then make 2 desserts that are fun and delicious. A spot for a cherry can make an ice cream extra sweet. A little more spots for gumballs. Make one tasty treat. Now let's make a group of really small spots at the yard called a pointillist. It's a pattern of dots. Look closely and you'll see them all in a row. But from far away they make a rainbow. Nice rainbow. I think you can see the dots right here, like all of them. You can also see spots by day, by night. Just look at the sun and the moon shining bright. Or a dozen balloons with the long curly strings. You can make spots be so many things. Now you're an expert finding some spots. It's time to start practicing by making lots. And when you're done, make a story to share so that these spots can spread fun everywhere. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!